Hello everyone! Have you seen my last video? Today I will be showing you how I painted the frame and illustration that combines with this one. If you want to check that video first, of the first illustration, click the link below or on the top of this one. The materials were gouache and acrylic. But let's start this one already, and first I started with a clean frame. I mixed all my colors using a set of acrylics I received in a scroll box challenge. You can also see that video that was made some years ago. At that time I drew a Rapidash from Pokemon that is one of my favorite Pokemons. And this set of colors reminded me of fire and also the autumn. So today it's about the autumn. When I was happy with the colors, I painted the first layer so the paint could stick to the frame, since I noticed these frames are a bit difficult for coloring. Maybe it has some varnish on it, I'm not really sure. I chose the orange color as base, and then I used the darkest colors for the beginning of the leaves and the lightest for the tips. I also loved the knots on this frame. I thought it was such a nice effect that would pop up much more after colored. It took me some time to color this, and I really had lots of fun since it's different from what I usually do. The medium is different and has some different behavior from colored pencils or Copic markers, but also pastels, so it was really fun to experiment. After painting, I already had the idea sketch, so I just did some changes and passed it into a watercolor paper using tracing paper. In this case, I also used Arteza paper like the last one. I will also review this paper on my next videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell so you won't miss anything. After the sketch done and prepared for coloring, I did again the colors, but I think they were not perfect, just like the ones of the frame, but I still used them nonetheless. I painted the base colors to have an idea of everything, to see if it was right, and just like I pictured the illustration. I also did the same thing on the other green illustration. First the base colors and then the detailing. Her hair had to stand out much more from the background, so that's why I'm going to color it brown. Adding the detailing after was my favorite part. I already said this so many times in my videos, but I will say it again. The hair is something that I love to color because of the shines on it. This paper was really perfect for such a little paint and dried very nicely. I kept adding more shadows and using the color of the paper to do the highlights of the hair, making it a bit more natural, but also doing some touches of orange to make the background and the girl be in the same plan. I want to thank everyone who left a comment on my last video. Makes me really happy my videos inspire you and also make you calm. Hopefully this year I can draw a bit more. That is one of my goals this year, and also add much more videos on my YouTube channel. After the first detailing on the hair, I thought it was not enough and wanted some parts more dark. So that's what I am doing here. I only used one brush in the entire painting. What reminds me, I need brushes so much, but I am also the kind of person that only uses the same in the entire painting. It's kind of weird, right? Are you like me, or you usually use many brushes? Is this a problem? When I was satisfied with the hair, I went to color the leaves on her hair and also the wings, and did a bit more detailing on the background. I should have left the leaves with less color to make it stand out more on the tips, but always learning, right? I tried to do the lines again and some less detailings with the white gel pen, and it was done. What do you think of this set? Unique. I really enjoyed using a different medium this time. I learned a bit about acrylics and gouaches with both illustrations. So this is the final result. Let me know what you think on the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I upload a video every week on Sunday. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye bye!